So this is the Lamborghini Murciélago LP670-4 SV. SV standing for SuperVeloce. Finished in balloon white, it's pearl white paintwork. I think it's 3 layers of paint. Looks amazing, the pearl effect. Obviously the traditional Lambo scissor doors. This one is right-hand drive, which is very rare. This is thought to be one of around 23 right-hand drive cars ever built. Lamborghini planned to make 350 of these and eventually produced only around 180. Really cool to see this in London. It's got the orange sticker to match the brake calipers. Proper Lamborghini colour, that. Arancio Atlas brake calipers. And then this satin carbon fibre wing. It's got to be one of the first cars with satin carbon fibre. And then the all important 6.5 litre Lamborghini V12. What a car. We've also got this very cool Brabus G700 in front. This is the new shape G63. See, powered by Brabus, gold brake calipers. Yeah, this is a pretty cool 2-car garage, I think, for anybody. Didn't notice this actually, carbon fibre hood with scoops on. But wow, how aggressive does that look? Which one would you take then? The Murciélago SV or the Brabus G700? interior of that Brabus. Got beautiful red fine leather by Brabus. .700 horsepower in this one. And of course the gold calipers.